Good evening. My name is Priya. I work in Dubai, and I have a question. It's about a myth that I've heard from a few friends about Islam. It's about marriage, basically. Is it true that a Muslim can only marry a girl younger?
Sister asked the question that is it true that a Muslim can only marry a girl who's younger? Our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, when first time he married, he was at the age of 25, and his first wife, Khadija, may Allah be pleased with her, she was 40 years old. 15 years elder to him. So there's no such statement that you can marry a girl who's younger. You have to marry a girl who's virtuous. The Prophet said, when you look for a life partner, you look for 4 things: beauty, wealth, nobility, and virtue. The best is virtue. So Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam saw virtue in Khadija, may Allah be pleased with her, and he married her. So best is virtue, sister.
Okay, thanks, that's all.
You're most welcome.